Hi, we're the Viger Feeling. For the past 8 months, we've been travelling the world in search for the most beautiful locations. It all started when we traded our home for a motorhome called Loons. We quit our jobs, sold very little of what we had left, and made our lifelong dreams a reality. So come join us on our adventure as we travel to
We're in Morocco. It's about
35 degrees.
35 degrees. It is boiling, but we're in these really lovely pagodas under flowers. We got to a hotel last night. It was really dark, but this morning everything is beautiful. There's flowers everywhere. We have a massive pool, and the best part is we're one of only 2 guests here. So it's just one other person. We have the whole place to ourselves, which is really nice and relaxing.
It's great.
It is really great. So we're going to relax for a couple of days, and then we're going to explore Marrakesh, go on some camel rides, I think.
Yeah, we're going to sleep out in the desert as well.
We are.
Got some things coming up, but I think we need a day just to chill out, don't we?
Yeah, we have been non-stop, but we're going to relax today, and then we're going to get on the go again. It's 35 degrees. It's super hot. We're about to enter the desert in buggies. It's really cool. The hotel, they have them on site, so we can just hire them, and Yusuf is going to take us around, and we're going to have some tea.
Let's do it.
The garden was like a mirage compared to the arid environment around it. Yusuf's tour showed us how he becomes self-sufficient, growing onions, tomatoes, wheat, olives and many more. He introduced us to the best technique for extracting mint and gave us the chance to taste natural organic mulberries, which were used to make unique wine. Is it nice? It doesn't have a powerful taste.
Okay, so the reason for why we do tea like that, it's about the mousse, the first thing, and also the tea with mixed with the oxygen, it gives another gives a good sense, and also it gives a little bit cold. Okay, and also there's some Moroccan people, if you give them tea without this mousse, they will tell you nothing.
So just coming back now, my mouth is full of a lot of dust.
From driving in the desert, we are covered, absolutely covered in dust. I'm just wiping some off now before I get in the shower. Oh my god, this is all the dust. But it was so much fun.
So we've just been walking around the market stores in Marrakesh, and we've just stopped now to grab some food because we're getting quite hungry and it's all a bit overwhelming with all the people. So yeah, we've just stopped now, but we're going to go back into the market in a minute. But we're going to try some traditional Moroccan tagines and see how it goes. That's good though.
It's really good. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit.
How is it?
It's lovely. It's super, super hot. I'm trying not to burn my mouth. I'm gonna try to pour this tea the Moroccan way and get some mousse at the top. So if I do a good or bad job, let me know.
Hey, I thought that was a good job. Chelsea was really upset just a minute ago. We saw like snake charmers and things like that on at the markets in Marrakesh, but what we also saw was macaques, monkeys, chained up by the neck, being tugged around by people, and you know, they were trying to get them to do stuff for the public walking past, and it was just a horrible thing to see, wasn't it? I mean, Chelsea's worked with animals for a number of years. She even went to South Africa to work with rescue animals, and I mean, a lot of our movies, we try and feature wild animals in it as well. It's and to see that was quite awful, really.
Yeah, it's really hard to see because it's just not nice. Nasty. They have horrible lives. The animals are stressed and get sick, and especially when you worked like a number of years trying to rescue all these animals, and I think what we just want to say is please don't buy into any of this. Animals on the street taking pictures, even things in other countries taking pictures with tigers, and just do your research first. Make sure the place is got a good reputation with the animals. I could keep going on and on, but yeah, sorry, it's just really upsetting to see these animals that you've worked with being treated in such a disrespectful way, and just how humans can be so mean sometimes.
Yeah.
But I think we're going to cheer ourselves up, go back to the hotel and go for a swim.
Yeah.
But we thought we'd share this with you because I know a lot of times we're all happy and everything's amazing, but not every place we go to is the happiest of places. But we did enjoy walking around the market.
Yeah, we did. The market was good.
Yeah.
But yeah, not so good with the way they treat some of their animals in Morocco.
Please don't pay for it.
So we've just arrived in the Agafi Desert. We just had some tea, didn't we?
Oh, Sorry, Yusuf, but it was the best tea.
It was beautiful. And we're about to now jump on a camel.
For the sunset, which is amazing. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
Someone's shouting at us. And yeah, then we have some luxury tents that we're going to stay in. But we've never done this before, and in the desert, and it's really quite far in the desert.
Yeah, we're really out. So yeah, it's going to be good fun. So we're about to jump on the camels now.
Uh-oh. Found some leaves.
Just had some breakfast. They provide you with breakfast and dinner. Yeah, it's a beautiful place, isn't it?
Yeah, I think the only thing we said, we wish it extended for like another 2 hours so we can have a bit more of a walk around.
Yeah.
Because it got freezing last night, so we kind of huddled by the fire and.
Yeah.
But yeah, that would be the only thing that I would say. But yeah, other than that, it's beautiful. You can see the mountains in the background, and we were saying it's crazy how they still have snow, and it's like 35 degrees every day. But yeah. I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know where we are. I can't remember where we are.
We're in...
Arigato? No, that's like a Japanese way of saying it.
That's Japan.
We've been to so many places we don't even know where we are now.
We've put it at the bottom of the screen. Here.
We thought we were going to do a waterfall walk, but we got taken up the mountain like 1,500 foot.
We didn't eat anything.
We didn't eat anything. And I'm annoyed with myself because I couldn't make it. I was getting very blacked out eyes.
Well, we did make it.
Yeah, well.
She made herself make it. But yeah, you just needed energy, didn't you?
And it's really hot. But we were just discussing us traveling in Japan and here. We've really not had a lot of exercise recently. So we're definitely, when we get back to England and get Loon sorted, we're gonna get back on getting fit again and getting up the mountains again. We do really miss hiking mountains every weekend. And
yeah, I mean we've dropped so much weight since, for the 8 months we've been travelling now. We're both quite big gym goers, and I've lost like way more than 2 stone. You've lost loads of weight. We've become so skinny. So this time round when we go to Europe, we're going to be loading a load of weights in the storage area of the motorhome, and we're going to be working out every single day again.
Yeah, we're definitely going to get back on it because we've noticed that our energy levels have gone down and our fitness levels have gone down. Yeah,
and like when I was editing Japan, we just looked so skinny, didn't we?
Yeah.
We're wasting away.
Wasting away.
So.
But yeah, we'll definitely get back on it, get up the mountains and...
Yeah. But right now we're sat having a lunch here and it's beautiful. I'll show you where we're at.
We'd like to say a massive thank you to everyone for watching our Moroccan video. We appreciate all of your support. To help stop the exploitation of the macaques in Morocco, please follow the link in the description.